Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Starry AI application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once it is opened up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in Starry AI and start the search. Once you find the Starry AI application, go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Now you will need to tap on install to download and install the Starry AI application. So go ahead and tap on it and this will begin the installation. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once it is done, you will see the open button and you can tap on it to open up the application. Once you tap on open, this will open up the Starry AI application on your device and you can proceed with signing up or logging into your account to start using it immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Starry AI application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.